Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Sagnick Dutta, a third professional MBBS student at Burdwan Medical College and Hospital, West Bengal. It is another day in the life of an MBBS student, and today we have got a very packed schedule.
Good morning, everyone. Today is 5th of August. I just woke up a few minutes back at around 5:30 and it's now around 6:30 a.m. in the morning. I just got myself a cup of coffee and a few biscuits. And today I have got a full day of college and hospital postings as well. Recently I'm being posted in the ophthalmology ward, and so today I'll have to go to the ophtha ward first in the hospital and then to colleges to attend the community medicine classes and the ENT classes as well, and then we'll come back home and continue the day. But before that, I'll have a good study session before going to college. I have my ward postings from 10 a.m. and I roughly have around 3 hours in hand to study. Maybe I'll complete 2 to 3 videos. Today I'll try to study some bit of ophthalmology and a few chapters of PSM as well.
First things first, let us plan out the day. This morning we'll be focusing on glaucoma in ophthalmology, and later we will dive into health planning and communication in PSM, which is crucial for public health strategies. Starting with glaucoma, it is a group of eye conditions that damage the optic nerve, which is vital for good vision. And as the definition goes, glaucoma is a progressive optic neuropathy characterized by visual field changes and optic disc changes, which may or may not be associated with increased intraocular pressure. There are several types, but the most common are primary open-angle glaucoma and primary angle closure glaucoma. Primary open-angle glaucoma is often called the silent thief of sight because it progresses slowly and without symptoms. On the other hand, primary angle closure glaucoma is a medical emergency that can cause sudden vision loss. Then we have got some secondary glaucomas as well, which are a result of other eye conditions like uveitis or maybe some trauma. It is fascinating and crucial to understand these distinctions as we work towards preserving vision. Now that we have covered some theory, it is time to head to college for our ophthalmology postings. As I head into the hospital, it is always very striking to see how many people are already waiting, some since the last night, just to get their eyes checked. The despair in their faces is a powerful reminder of why we are here, to make a difference in their lives. During our postings today, our PGT taught us how to perform lacrimal apparatus patency testing. This test is essential to determine if the tear ducts are open and functioning properly. It is a simple yet very crucial step in diagnosing the patients with tearing problems. After watching the demonstration, I got to try the patency test myself. It was nerve-wracking but rewarding to put the theories that we have learned into practice. course, as soon as I head out, the rain starts pouring down. Oof, it's just another unpredictable day. Hi everybody, it's around 11 p.m. in the night, and the time in between, I had no other choice than to waste it because I was completely stuck in between in the roads due to some torrential rainfall that happened in our place in Burdwan. It got completely washed off and I was completely drenched when I just reached home. And now I just got freshened up, did my dinner, and I'm here doing and thinking what else I can do now. I think starting out with PSM and maybe putting out through halfway in the night would be a good decision, because I don't know if the rain would continue even tomorrow or whether I'll be able to go to college tomorrow. If not, I'll continue the rest of the things tomorrow, but maybe I'll watch one or two videos tonight and then go to sleep. Let's see.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young.
Health planning involves setting the goals and objectives, determining the best strategies, and allocating the resources. Communication is the key to ensuring that these health strategies are effectively delivered to public, influencing behaviors and improving the overall health outcomes. Hi everybody, just completed 3 videos of health communication and health planning, and I feel that's enough for the day. It's already 12:30 a.m. in the night and I think I need to sleep because I'll have to wake up early tomorrow in the morning. So let's now just call it a day, because I've almost met the target which I had set for myself. I had gone for the clinical postings, learned a lot of things, practiced a lot of things, read a few chapters and watched few videos of ophthalmology, and I also touched a few portions of PSM as well. So I think I'm more or less done with everything that I wanted to, and now I can safely call it a day. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and share the video who might like it as well. Thank you. Meet you in the next one.